Hi, good morning, everyone. This is the beginning of week 10 in Writing 111. This week in media, I've posted a few videos from our research librarian, Anna, whose last name is beautiful in Icelandic, and I have a really hard time saying it. She's done a great job with these videos. The password for them is right here. I've also included a chapter from the book on researching and argumentation, which is going to be the focus that we move on towards. So make sure that you watch and read those materials before you move on. Also remember that your rhetorical analysis is due on Halloween Sunday. So make sure you get your final draft turned in by then. In class tomorrow, we're going to do some polishing exercises, so make sure you have your draft with you and be ready to do some polishing work on it. Next week on Tuesday, that is November 2nd, if you physically come to class, we're going to meet in a room in the library. It's a really fun class to come to if you're one of those people who might attend or might not attend. Come to class next week on the 2nd up in the library because it's a cool space, but it's also a cool presentation that I will have available for you online too, so you can attend as always by Google Meet or in person, but I think this is a really good one to come to in person. Anyway, I hope everyone's doing well. I'll be in my office hours and you can always email me to meet at other times too. Take care, everyone.